Hi everyone, it's Rachel with Pyramid Heating and Cooling, and I'm here today in Lake Oswego with our installation crew. We are installing a 12.5 ton rooftop unit for one of our commercial clients today, and because the unit is so large we need a crane today to put it on the roof. So I've got my personal protective equipment on today. I've got my hard hat and I've got my reflective vest, and we're gonna watch the action. Just got done placing this unit on the roof, and I've got Andrew here. He's our commercial account manager, and he's gonna talk to us a little bit about what we've done today.
Today we put a new 12.5 ton carrier gas pack up on the roof here. This specific unit's got low and a high stage air conditioning, gas fired heating, filters that are on the other side, along with a belt drive blower assembly. This unit will do everything this spot on the building requires. Should last a good 25-30 years with proper maintenance, and